Want to make money with CPA marketing on the gaming niche? Just follow this exact same strategy which I'm going to show you right now. First of all, you want to head onto this platform called the Video Game Deals Canada, which is actually a subreddit right here. And if you do head onto this platform, you can just keep on scrolling through and you will find out that this is actually a gaming subreddit for the best gaming deals for Canadian, and it's actually for Nintendo, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and PC. And if you do keep on scrolling, guys, you can actually see this particular post right here that was actually posted about 22 hours ago. And if you do go on to checking out this post right here, maybe I do go on to clicking on this, I'll be able to see more details about this particular post. You can see that there are actually lots and lots of games right here on this particular list, of which are actually giving you some percentage off right now. You can see right now that these are actually the percentage off. This is the price right now which you are going to be paying for this particular games, and these are actually the original price which were there previously. So if I do go to clicking on this particular game right now, which is the 12th seed, I'm going to be brought to this particular page where I can do go on to purchasing this product right now. So what you want to do right here is that you want to just simply go to searching for the popularity of this product right here. You can actually use this platform called Trendsgooglecom to actually go on to searching for that. You just want to come right here and just simply type in that particular game. So right now, guys, you can see that this is actually the trends right here of this particular game in the United States right here. You could go on to change the country to maybe Canada or any other country right there, and you can see right now that the trend is actually quite going down. Then you want to just simply head back to this page, go on to getting a game that is actually trending right now. Just simply do this for each and every game right here to get the best one which is actually going to be trending right now. Which means that this arrow is actually going to be going up right here. If you do get that, guys, you just want to go onto your CPA marketing content locker. You could use CPA Grip right here. If I log into my account, I'm just going to go onto the monetization tool and click on URL file locker to actually go on to creating a URL file locker. And right now, guys, I'm just going to come right here, click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of services, click on continue, and do go on to creating one. And supposing, guys, I want to just simply use this 12th or 112 seed game to actually use for this exact same strategy, I'm just going to copy the domain to this particular page, head back to my content locker, and actually do log that in right here. I'm going to go on to changing the name to the 112th seed. And if I do that right here, I could just simply go to template and select the human verification template or any template of my choice. Edit this section based on your preference, and once you're done, simply go on to clicking on save, and your content locker link will be created right now. As you can see, if I do click on get link, this is my content locker link which I can actually copy and try as much as possible to go on to promoting this. But before you do promote that, you want to make sure you do go on to creating a landing page using any landing page creator sites out there. You could use the breezy.io, you could use the systemy.io, the site of google.com, or any other landing page builder sites out there. So grab hold of that right now, create a cool and amazing landing page. I'm not going to dive into how you could create a landing page because previously in my channels, I've showed you how to create a landing page on any of these landing page builder sites which I just mentioned right there. So if you do want to learn more about that, just simply go on to watching some of my previous videos right there that can actually help you go on to creating a landing page. If you create a landing page, guys, you want to link that landing page to this particular CPA Group content locker. Then what you want to do, you could actually take use of this strategy to promote that by heading on to Fiverr, and you just want to go on to searching for the video locker. And if I do search for the video locker right here, guys, you can see right now that a lot of people are actually offering this gig on this platform. Or sorry, you could just want to search for the video ads instead. So right now you can see people are actually searching for this gig right here, or people are offering this gig on this platform called Fiverr. You can actually do go on to purchasing one right now and go on to using that to promote that particular game right there. And if you're promoting that game and as people are interested in that, they actually have to go to your content locker first, which if they do complete an offer, you do make money right there before they can gain access to that particular game and go on to purchasing that. So you want to just simply use this strategy on 30 gig right here to purchase and actually do get a cool video ad. You could actually go onto YouTube and other social media platforms to go on to pasting that particular ad right here, or you could then just simply head onto this platform called canva.com to actually go on to creating an ad, or you could create your own video yourself and actually go on to promoting it on as many social media platforms as you can do right now. So because this particular game is actually going to be trending, you can actually make use of social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok to actually drive traffic to that content locker right there. And you just want to come right here. Supposing you want to just simply promote that, you want to just simply search for Games Canada, because that particular offer is actually for Canadian people, and you're actually going to be seeing a lot of gaming groups right here which you could join. You can see right here that this group is for the gamers worldwide. You could go on to promoting that on that particular group. You can see more groups right here about games right here where you can actually go on to promoting that for your groups right here. And you could just simply use this platform right here called ChatGPT to actually go on to writing you cool copies which you can use to promote that particular product on such social media platforms right now. And guys, this is an amazing strategy which you can actually use right now to start earning hundreds of dollars in CPA marketing. So that's it for now. I hope this video did help you. If yes, why not smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also guys, turn on your post notification bell on all so that I can actually alert you whenever I release much more videos that could be helpful to you in making extra income online. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video, and goodbye.